so much work to be done in Haiti. A lot of the emergency supplies have been delivered, but at this point, the real need in Haiti is for shelter. Approximately a third of the population, 1.3 million people, were left homeless by the earthquake. May is the beginning of the rainy season, and then of course hurricane season starts June 1. So right now shelter is the big push to get everyone in the country to have at least a certain amount of shelter. And the backhoe, that's perfect. It's an earth mover, and of course that's what's going on in Haiti now.